What's old MacDonald say?
Yellow.
And what did old MacDonald have on his farm? What's old MacDonald have on his farm? Does he have some cows? Cows? Does old MacDonald have some cows? What's the cow say? Yeah. What's this? Doggy. What's the doggy say? What's the dog say?
Water.
Just spinning his head around. You giving him a kiss? Oh, guess not. Does it look like chocolate?
Yeah.
Not though, is it? Where'd old MacDonald? He fell out of the tractor. Where'd old MacDonald go?